is a conformationally changed deoxycholic acid product that is used to remove excess fat. That fat could be in the chin area, could be jowls, it could be under the eyes. I want to talk to you a little bit about the application in those areas. And one of the things I wanted to show you is kind of, as we all age, the fat in our bodies changes, the fat in your face changes, so that the fat islands that you have in your face drift apart. That leads us to getting jowls. It can lead us to have, if we have excess underneath the chin, or excess eye bags. So all three of these areas are areas that Conforma Reduce can be used to improve the appearance of the skin. So utilizing Conforma Reduce, I would recommend you do it twice a day. I've kind of drawn some areas on our model here, even though he doesn't have excess fat in any of these three areas, but how you might apply it if you were utilizing it. If you had eye bags that were bags of fat here that are sticking out, I would probably use a cotton tip applicator and carefully just apply the product there twice a day. You want to be careful not to get it in your eye, but you would want to really cover that area. And you expect to see, that skin is pretty thin, so you might expect to see results as early as 3 weeks, but usually within a month, you'll see that recede. You just want to treat until you get to the desired amount of fat or the appearance that you want for your skin. Now, let's say if I talk about if Justin had jowls, that is that hanging down fat here that often makes women's face look kind of square. You see it in older women, you see it in men. You would apply the product in this same general area. You don't want to apply it over your whole cheek because that's not your desired treatment result. You really want to just take this area of fat down just a little bit. So smile really big, Justin. If you really kind of demarcate everything over here to here would be where you would think you wanted to go. The initial clinical trial done with Conforma Reduce was utilized for excess chin fat. So those subjects would apply the product in an area very similar to what I have marked here. So you don't have to do it just on the chin fat, but you'd want to kind of spread it from one side of the fat to the other, just to make sure that you're covering that area. In the chin, that skin is thicker. It's good, usually a bigger fat pad, so it's going to take you longer to see your treatment results. You might see results as early as a month. Most patients tell us that things are getting better before that time period, but in the clinical trial, the full results were really seen at month 2. So you want to apply the product in these areas twice daily until you get to your desired treatment result. Conforma Reduce does not cause redness, swelling, pain, any of those things, so you can incorporate it with your other beauty routines. You just want to be careful with your application process.